Welcome to the Codeness. In the previous video, we have successfully created the customer model. In this video, I am going to show you how to create the controller for the customer. So let us start with now create the new folder called controllers. Now add the new file in the customer folder. So we can say customer.controller.js file. So here now we can use constant constant customer require from the customer model. So models not customer model. Then we can write the function constant create customer is equals to async. Now we can use the two parameter for the request and the response. So we have to create request then response. Now add try catch. It's important to always use the try catch. Then we have to create constant that customer is equals to new customer, then request dot body, or we can destructure it and then we can pass it, but we can directly use the request dot body if we have the almost the same parameter, or we can use in this way constant. Let's say whatever the field we have a first name, so we can use copy and paste first name comma last name comma email address comma is active is equals to request dot body. So you can do this way also, and we can pass this value similarly. If we have the same field value and you are passing the same field for creating the customer, then you directly use the request dot body, or if you have any additional parameter, then you can restructure and you can use here. Now we can create constant save is equals to customer dot save. We can use wait customer dot. So there is a two things is happening here. Either the customer is saved successfully, nor it giving the error. So we can set the error message or success message. We can set response dot JSON is equals to save. So whatever the customer is created is get back to the response. Otherwise, we get the error. So we have already set the unique constraint. We require the customer name is unique, or we also have the validation for the required field. So we can use this message for unique error dot code. If you get this code 110000, that means that it gives you the unique message. So we can write here return response dot status, so we can set 400 and then give the message. So JSON message colon, we can give any message like we message, we can say customer email is duplicate, or you can say customer already exists. Whatever you want to give the message, you can give it. Now if maybe if this is not the message, this is not the message, then we can get the message error dot name, maybe the required field validation error. Then we can use here to validation error. So there is a must be a multiple field validation. So constant errors is equals to object dot values. Then we can use error dot map. Then we have to e dot message, whatever the message we get. Now we can return this message, return response dot status is equals to 400, then JSON equals to error. So in this way we can get the message. Now if we got any other message except this two messages, so we can directly return the status to 500, then give the message dot error dot message, whatever the message we get, so we can return that message. In this way we have successfully created the create customer. Now I have to export it to model dot x, sorry, module dot exports equals to create customer. To use this model we have to create the router files for the route for this controller. So in the next video I am going to show you how to create the routes file for the customer. Thank you for watching this video.